To change lock screen wallpaper in Motorola Signature, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down and here select the personalize. Go for a lock screen on the left, and then in the others you can find the ways where you can change your lock screen wallpaper. So you can select it from your photos, you can select it from Image Studio when you have your Motorola account logged in. You can go for dynamic options that require you to download each of those wallpapers when you can see this icon in the middle. And there's also curated images, which are the options in more wallpapers that are pre-available always on your Motorola. So choose whichever one you like. For example, let's go with this one, and then we can set it as wallpaper. Make sure to select only lock screen if you like, and then confirm it with set. That way, as you can see, if we lock my screen, the wallpaper is changed. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.